Hi guys, welcome to my travel vlog. So my friends and I are going to Ukiah this weekend, so I thought that I would try to record what I can. I'm not sure, probably gonna be a little shy vlogging around them, but yeah, I'm super excited. Actually, we're gonna leave pretty soon, so I'm just trying to eat before we go. But I honestly don't know what's in Ukiah. We just wanted to get away from the fires and the smokes from the wildfires that's happening right now in California. And we originally planned to go to Redding, but to get from SF to Redding, we would be driving through like Vacaville, Sacramento, and it would just be like fields of flames. So we didn't want to do that. So I looked at the map of active fires yesterday, and I saw that like the northwestern part of California was pretty clear, and Ukiah kind of just like stood out. So we found an Airbnb, and that's what we're doing. So we're gonna leave today, which is Friday, and then we're gonna come back on Sunday. And I'm all packed already. I literally packed like enough for 4 or 5 days, even though we're only really going for like a day and a half. And we all got tested, and then I'm gonna try to get tested after the trip too. Oh, and the weather is gonna be like 100 degrees this weekend there. So I'm excited because I feel like anything over 100, it's gonna be like 98, 100. So anything over 100, I feel like is gonna be crazy hot and you don't wanna leave the house. But anything under 100, I think you can still like make a case to go outside, like go to the lake. And the air quality will be pretty good too, because the fires are under Ukiah and they travel, and the smoke is traveling south. I hope you enjoy the little weekend getaway vlog, and I'll see you in a bit. So this is my room for the night. So cute. And then there's like a patio. Oh my god, that's hecka hot. I think the other room is shared with the other room. But yeah, this is the backyard. And there's this. Those two are 9.
I'm out of breath and shit.
I know, I can't breathe, but like this is helping me block from the sun, so.
Sunblock on my feet. Oh, look at this. Looks dangerous.
A rock slide. Yeah. too freaking hot. We just finished the hike and we're about to go jump into the pool or some hot springs. Oh god, it's like 100 degrees right now. Help.
Watch out, this thing moves.
Oh shit. It's cold.
Is it cool? Oh, dip all in.
Hi guys, so I'm heading to the mineral springs and I've never done it before. I just got out of the swimming pool and so this is supposed to be kind of like fizzy springs water. I don't even know. I'll show you. So you cross this cute little bridge here. It's like all leafy. And then
Oh, yes. Yep, I know that.
Really? No, I ain't played it.
Yeah.
actually I think these are all occupied, but these are the rooms. What's in here?
This is drinking water. Drinking
Oh, that's so cool. You can like see, it's like a well or something. Age of water minimum. Whoa, this water is 25,000 years old. No, oh, this is for drinking? Interesting. Well. Yes, yes.
Do an ice cream shot tonight.
Oh my. It's not too fizzy. Oh, I can feel the fizz. And you just let it flow like this? Yeah. It's relaxing. It's like 3. Yeah, so we have another 30 minutes. Whoa! There's something happening over there. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
We could always bring it back, babe. I don't need a lover, but I lay you like a track, ayy.
So good.
Never take you back.
Hey guys, so I'm home now and I wanted to come on to end the vlog because yeah, I didn't get a chance to end it in Ukiah or when I left, but so pretty much that night we just ended up playing some Jackbox TV and we just like stayed up till 3 and talked to each other, bonding time. It was really nice. We talked about some pretty deep stuff like our goals and like relationships and things we regret. So that was cool. Oh, I did want to say, so the room that I was sleeping in, there was a big like American Girls doll that we referred to as like Annabelle the whole trip. So it was really hard for me to sleep both nights because I had this fear that I would like wake up in the middle of the night and I look over and like she'd be next to me in bed. So then I'd have to keep the lights on, but I can't sleep with the lights on. So it was just kind of a bad sleeping experience. And there were, one of the other rooms had like a whole cabinet full of little dolls too. So that was kind of weird. Overall, it was a really good trip and I'm really glad that I went because, you know, I've been cooped up in the house all year pretty much. And it was like really relaxing and nice to go on a little getaway with friends. And we did all test for COVID before the trip. We were all negative, and then a couple of us tested after the trip and they were also negative. So, you know, we're all safe. And then I also wanted to mention the activities that we did during the trip. So the first one we did was we went to the lake, Blue Lakes, and we got a boat together. And it was really nice. I really recommend that activity if you go to Ukiah. By the way, it's pronounced Ukiah, not Ukiah, I think. But yeah, we wanted to do like kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding, but then we ended up but those are really expensive. Like it was like $90 per person for 2 hours, and we didn't want to commit to like kayaking for 2 hours. So we ended up just getting a boat, like a 10-person boat for 6 people, and it was like super affordable. It was like $60 a person for 2 hours. And we like hung out on the boat. They allowed us to bring our own food and drinks. And then we like, some of us actually jumped in the water and swam. If you ever go to Ukiah, I definitely recommend checking out Blue Lakes and renting a boat or doing some kind of water activity there. And then the next day we went to Vichy Springs Resort, which is like a mineral springs area. And that place was where we also hiked to find the waterfall, but unfortunately it was like really hot. It was like, you know, summer season, so the waterfall was all dried up. The hike was actually really hard because we weren't expecting it to be like the terrain to be so crazy with rocks and like a little like steep area. So we were all wearing sandals. I was wearing my Birks, so my feet were hurting. One of the girls like slipped and fell. So the hike was pretty hard. Like the duration wasn't too long. It was like a 30-minute hike to the waterfall and then back. So like round trip is an hour. So I've definitely hiked longer hikes, but it was just like a hard terrain and we weren't expecting that. So going into the pool and into the mineral springs was like so much better after the hike. So, and it was also really hot that day. It was like 100 degrees, maybe a little bit over. So it was just a crazy hiking experience, but overall really fun. And, you know, we just had back-to-back activities. So it was a really good weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next vlog. Bye. Oh my god. We're actually going pretty fast. What about Julian?
We're gonna pick Julian up first.
Alright, Julian.
Be careful, be careful.
Be careful.
Here. Don't go too far. Don't go too far.
Wait.
Alright, next stop.
My bike decks!
Can you grab it again?
That's scary.
Okay, I'm not going in the water anymore. Nope, fuck.
Gotta take a shot.
Come to the ladder.
Gotta take a shot.
Be careful. Don't pull too hard. Stop.
together.